How to fix Lloyds Bank app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if your internet connection is stable or not. For that, launch your settings. Head towards the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Then head back. You can also switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. You'll need to update your app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Lloyds Bank. App will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're gonna find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Lloyds and then open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Lloyds. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Lloyds Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.